Well, hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here, and today we are going to talk all about Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. But before that, if you're someone who is looking for a study in Germany, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of your doubts. Karlsruhe Institute of Technology is a public research university located at Karlsruhe, Germany. It was established in the year 2009. At present, there are 25,000 plus students enrolled on campus. The institute provides around 107 programs, out of which 43 is for undergraduate courses and 56 are for graduate courses, and 8 programs are for consecutive postgraduate courses. The acceptance rate for this university is around 26%. The top bachelor's and master's programs to study in these universities are economics, mathematics, social science, humanities, and many more. The university rank around 119 as per the QS World University ranking and 226 as per the US News and World Report. The eligibility criteria for this university is the English proficiency examination. The university accepts IELTS and TOEFL. IELTS score of 6.5 and TOEFL score of 90 is good to go. These are the basic requirements for both bachelor's and master's program. The bachelor specific requirements are the student need to score 80% and above in their 10th and 12th grade, official transcripts of their 10th and 12th grade, SOP and LORs. The master specific requirements are the student need to keep a GPA of 3 out of 4 in their bachelor's degree, official transcripts of their bachelor's degree, SOP, LOR, resume, GRE or GMAT scores, and B1 German language. The university requires an application fee of around 195 euros during the application for both master's and bachelor's program. As it is a public university, the tuition fee is usually low. The tuition fee for this institute is around 1,500 euros for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses, and this tuition fee is for per semester. For more detailed information on tuition fee, you can check out the link in the description box below. The university offers scholarships and accommodation to all of the international students. The scholarship is on the merit basis and the accommodation is compulsory for the freshman students. For more detailed information on scholarship and accommodation, you can check out the link in the description box below. This institution offers two major intake, that is the summer intake and the winter intake. The deadline for the summer intake is January 15, 2024 and the deadline for the winter intake is July 15, 2024. Now coming to the most important part of the video, that is the jobs and salaries. The average base salary of an alumni graduated from this university usually ranges between 70,000 euros to 90,000 euros depending on the profile, location and more importantly the career background. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.